Okay, class. Another thing, I hope you all are aware of what is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of any shape is basically the total surface area minus the top face and the base face. This is the top face and the base face of a figure of any 3D shape is known as the lateral surface area of that particular shape. So for example, in cuboid, if I say that the lateral surface area of the cuboid is sum of a total surface area of all four sides but not all six sides. Which all sides we are taking out is the top face and the base face. Rest, the front and back face and the side faces are included. Lateral surface area का मतलब होता है जहाँ पे हमने फ्रंट, बैक एंड टू साइड फेसेस का सरफेस एरिया इंक्लूड किया है, वेयर एज वी आर एक्सक्लूडिंग top face area of top face and base face from the total surface area. So if you get to, for example, we are sitting in a room, there are only four walls of a room, right? The front and back and the side two walls. So there are four walls of a room. Generally the rooms are of shape of a cuboid. So lateral surface area of a cuboid or a cube is sum of the surface area of four walls. So if I say total surface area of a cuboid अगर हो, उसमें से हमने सीलिंग का और फ्लोर का सरफेस एरिया माइनस कर दिया, बाकी जो फोर वॉल्स का सरफेस एरिया बचता है, that is the lateral surface area of this cuboidal room in which we are sitting. It is same with the cube. अगर एक क्यूबिकल रूम में हम बैठे हैं, if we are sitting in a cubicle room, in that case what is the lateral surface area? Sum of two side walls and plus sum of front wall and back wall. We need to exclude the surface area of the ceiling and the floor. Similarly, in a cylinder, what is the lateral surface area? Total surface area minus the surface area of these two circular base and circular top. Only this portion, जो ये right circle cylinders है या कोई भी cylinder है, only this portion which I am shading right now in front of you, only this portion which I am shading in front of you is the lateral surface area. So when we are finding out the surface area of a cylinder, what are we doing? We are adding ऊपर वाला circle का area नीचे वाले circle का area. Like here, see, pi r square plus 2 pi rh. 2 pi r is the length and h is the height. As I have already explained कि इस rectangular sheet को अगर हम roll करेंगे तो it will become the lateral surface or the curved surface of the cylinder. So which is the curved surface? Only this much, excluding this circular faces, right? Only this much which is seen here, right? इतना portion सिर्फ. This is the lateral surface or the curved surface of the cylinder. So इसका surface area कितना होता है? Area of a rectangle, that is length into breadth. Length is 2 pi r into height. So lateral surface area of or curved surface area of a cylinder is only 2 pi r h, where we are excluding the surface area of two circular faces. I hope that is clear, class. What is lateral surface area?